Hope you are doing great. So today we are going to make a chatbot by using the Botpress. So if you want to sign up, you can just go to the botpress.com. You can sign up here. You can make 5 bots free of cost. You don't have to pay anything to the Botpress. So let's make our first bot. So you can press this button, new bot. It will take you the editor. Okay, so I'm opening in the studio. So this is the editor of the Botpress. All right, let's delete this. Okay, so now we are going to make a very simple chatbot. We will make a simple note here. We will say it, welcome note. In this we will add text. We will say, okay, so I just copied here. So okay, so whenever we will say hello, it will give us this. We want to add the single choice here. We can also add the text here. So basically this is second text, and for the single choice, yes, no. Okay, so let's try it again. Hello. It will show us the first text, then this is the second text, then we have to choose the selection, yes. Okay, so let's delete this one and make another node here. Okay, so let's make another workflow, name it contact form. Okay, so I want to add that workflow here. So this is the contact form, and we can connect it here. So flow goes to contact form. Okay, so now let's add the text here. This is contact form flow. Okay, so now press. Okay, so now if I will press yes, it will take me to the contact form flow, and after that it will exit. So what we are going to do, what we are going to make, first we will welcome the user, then we will ask them some of the questions. It will take them to the contact form. Here we will add some of the questions, it will capture, and then we will send those questions to the make. Okay, so let's add some of the questions. We can use name, then we can take the email, and then we can take the phone number, and if we want to add any information here, then we can use this. Okay, so we can say please enter your name, and please enter your first and last name. Please enter your email. Please enter your phone number, or on any message you wanna send. Okay, so now we have to save all of these. So let's suppose if the user will enter Hamad Shahzad, so now we have to save these variables into something. So what we can do, we can make some variables here. So let's make, okay, let's close this. Here we can make the variables. Let's make the first one name, and then we can use the email, and then phone number, and then message. Okay, so let's add them here. So here we will use name. Okay, so you can make it raw input, select name here, email, you can enter here email, then phone number, and then message. Okay, so let's try it now. So okay, let's restart this and say hello. Okay, so hello. Thanks for contacting the Netherlands. My name is Hamad, and I will walk you through some questions. Okay, so yes, it will take us to the contact form flow, and this is the contact form flow. Please enter your name, Hamad, etc. So here you can see when I will type this, it will enter here. So here you can see it just saved my name, Hamad Shehzad, gmail.com. Okay, and plus 92215721018. They just saved my number. I want to make a custom chat bot. Can you help me with this? Okay, so it just saves all the variables. So at the in the next video we will send these variables in the Google Sheet by using the make.